Have you ever found yourself thinking about your bone health? Perhaps you've heard the term osteoporosis and wondered if it's something you should be concerned about as you get older. Or maybe you've experienced a fracture, or a loved one has, and it's brought the importance of strong bones into sharp focus. The truth is, as we age, our bones can naturally become less dense, making them more fragile and susceptible to fractures. This condition, osteoporosis, affects millions worldwide, often silently progressing until a fall or minor impact leads to a broken bone. But what if you could significantly prevent and even, in many cases, reverse bone loss with simple, gentle exercises you can do right from your own home? It's not about heavy lifting or strenuous workouts that feel out of reach. Instead, it's about smart, targeted movements that send a powerful message to your bones. Rebuild. Get stronger. Today, with a gentle, caring, and expert approach, I want to reveal 5 accessible exercises specifically designed for seniors to safeguard your bone health. These movements will help reduce your risk of fractures, enhance your overall strength and balance, and ultimately, help you maintain your independence and vitality for years to come. Get ready to empower yourself and build the strong, resilient bones you deserve. Understanding bone health and exercise. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly understand why movement is so powerful for our bones. Our bones are living tissues, constantly breaking down old bone and building new bone. This process is called bone remodeling. When we put stress on our bones through activities like standing, walking, or lifting, it stimulates the bone-building cells, making our bones denser and stronger. This is why weight-bearing exercises, where your body works against gravity, and strength training exercises, where your muscles pull on bones, are so crucial for preventing and even reversing osteoporosis. The good news is you don't need to be an athlete. Simple, consistent, and safe movements can make a profound difference. Always consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have existing health conditions or known osteoporosis. Here are 5 gentle yet highly effective exercises to strengthen your bones. Exercise 1. Walking, or a gentle marching in place. This fundamental weight-bearing exercise is excellent for overall bone health. How to do it? Outdoor walking. Aim for a brisk pace, as if you're slightly out of breath but can still hold a conversation. Ensure you have comfortable, supportive shoes. Start with 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase to 30 minutes most days of the week. Find a safe, well-lit path. Indoor marching. In place, if going outdoors isn't an option, march briskly in place, lifting your knees high. You can hold onto a chair or counter for balance if needed. Why it helps? Walking is a classic weight-bearing exercise that puts gentle stress on the bones in your legs, hips, and spine, stimulating bone growth. It also improves cardiovascular health and balance. Story. Our friend, Carol, 72, was concerned about her bone density after her doctor mentioned early signs of bone thinning. She decided to start walking daily. She began with short 10-minute strolls around her neighborhood and slowly built up to 30 minutes. At first, it felt like a chore, Carol admitted, but soon I started looking forward to my walks. I felt stronger, more energetic, and my doctor later told me my bone density had stabilized. It's amazing what just putting one foot in front of the other can do. Exercise 2. Standing calf raises. Targets bones in the lower legs and improves balance. How to do it? Stand tall, holding onto a sturdy chair, counter, or wall for balance. Slowly lift both heels off the floor, rising onto the balls of your feet. Go as high as you comfortably can. Hold for a count of 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower your heels back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times for 2 to 3 sets. Why it helps? This exercise is a specific weight-bearing movement that puts stress on the bones in your lower legs, helping to strengthen them. It also works the calf muscles, which are important for balance and preventing falls. Story. John, 76, felt his ankles were getting weaker, making him a bit unsteady. He started doing calf raises while waiting for his kettle to boil. It was so simple, I could do it anywhere, John shared. Within a few weeks, I noticed my ankles felt stronger and I was much more confident on my feet. I even started doing them while watching TV. My doctor was impressed with my improved balance. Exercise 3. Wall push-ups, modified push-ups. A gentle way to introduce strength training for upper body bones. How to do it? Stand facing a sturdy wall, about an arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than shoulder width apart, at chest height. Keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels, slowly bend your elbows, lowering your chest towards the wall. Push back to the starting position, straightening your arms. Repeat 10 to 15 times for 2 to 3 sets. You can increase the challenge by standing further from the wall. Why it helps? This exercise strengthens the bones in your wrists, arms, and shoulders, as well as the muscles in your chest and triceps. Stronger upper body bones are crucial for everyday tasks and can help protect against fractures from falls. Story: Linda, 69, worried about her arm strength. She heard about wall push-ups and decided to try them. She started with just 5 repetitions and gradually increased. I was surprised how much I could feel my muscles working, Linda said. Now I can easily lift groceries and carry things without feeling strained. It's such a simple way to build strength and protect my upper body bones. Exercise 4. Chair squats, sit-to-stands. Excellent for strengthening leg and hip bones and improving functional movement. How to do it? Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your hips back and down as if you're going to sit down, keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Just lightly touch the chair with your bottom, or sit down fully if needed. Then immediately push through your heels to stand back up. Keep the movement controlled and smooth. Repeat 8 to 12 times for 2 to 3 sets. Why it helps? Chair squats are a fantastic weight-bearing and strength-training exercise for your leg and hip bones, which are common sites for osteoporotic fractures. They also improve balance and the functional strength needed for daily activities like getting up from a chair or out of bed. Story: Robert, 74, felt his leg strength diminishing, making it harder to get up after sitting for a while. He incorporated chair squats into his morning routine. It was tough at first, just doing a few, Robert recalled. But slowly I got stronger. Now, getting up from low chairs or the sofa is much easier. It's given me back a lot of independence and confidence in my legs. Exercise 5. Single leg balance with support. Improves balance to prevent falls, which are the leading cause of fractures. How to do it? Stand near a sturdy counter or wall, holding lightly for support. Shift your weight slightly to one foot and slowly lift the other foot a few inches off the floor. Try to hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly lower your foot and switch sides. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each leg. As you get stronger, try to use less support or hold for longer. Why it helps? While not directly bone loading, balance exercises are crucial for bone health because they significantly reduce your risk of falls. Preventing falls is often the most effective way to prevent fractures in those with weaker bones. Story: Patricia, 68, had a fear of falling, which limited her activities. Her physical therapist recommended practicing single-leg balance. She started by holding onto her kitchen counter and gradually progressed to just touching it with a finger. My balance has improved so much, Patricia shared proudly. I feel steadier when I walk, and my fear of falling has really lessened. It's given me the confidence to enjoy my daily walks and feel more secure. Key considerations for your bone health. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine most days of the week. Beyond exercise, here are a few other vital factors for optimal bone health. Adequate calcium and vitamin D. These nutrients are crucial for bone building. Talk to your doctor or nutritionist about your intake and if supplements are right for you. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both can negatively impact bone density. Regular checkups, regular doctor visits, and bone density screenings, DEXA scans, are important for monitoring your bone health. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 5 simple, accessible, and powerful exercises: walking, calf raises, wall push-ups, chair squats, and single leg balance that can significantly help prevent and even reverse osteoporosis in seniors. These movements are your allies in building stronger bones, improving your balance, and protecting your precious independence for years to come. Remember, you have the power to influence your bone health. It's never too late to start, and even small, consistent efforts can make a profound difference. By incorporating these gentle exercises into your daily routine, you're not just strengthening your bones, you're investing in a future filled with greater mobility, confidence, and vitality. I genuinely encourage you to reflect on these exercises. Which ones feel most achievable for you to start with this week? Perhaps a daily walk or a few calf raises while you wait for your coffee. Please share your thoughts, your experiences, or any questions you have in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly valuable and can inspire others in our supportive community. If you found this video informative, empowering, and truly helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I would be deeply honored if you would subscribe for more essential content focused on healthy aging, well-being, and living your most fulfilling life. Sharing this video could genuinely help someone you care about strengthen their bones and protect their independence. Thank you for being here with me today.